Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to group your tabs. Let's begin with the tutorial. Open your Google Chrome. Open multiple tabs that you want to group together. Then right click on the tab you want to include in the group. Select Add Tab to New Group from the Content menu. A small window will pop up, allowing you to name the group and choose a color for it. To add more tabs to newly created group, right click on the tab you want to add. Select Add Tab to Group. Then choose the group you just created. You can also drag and swipe into the group. You can collapse or expand the group by clicking on the group's name or color circle. To move tabs within a group or between the groups, simply drag and drop these tabs. To remove a tab from a group, right click on the tab and select Remove from Group. To close an entire group, click on the group name or color circle and select Close Group. All the tabs within the group will be closed. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube